This is it. Finally back to unboxings. These are my first sneakers to be delivered in 2 months. What this also means for you is that shipping is now back to normal. Now before I unbox these beautiful Nike boxes and reveal 2 awesome colorways of a classic sneaker that I'm simply in love with, let me update you that all sorts of shipping and postal services are now active in India. Understand there is a lot of backlog and hence it might not be as efficient, but nevertheless it's up and running and that's what is important. This also means that StockX will soon restart shipping to India and I will let you know of that through my Instagram stories as soon as it starts. One more thing. A couple days back I asked you guys through a poll on YouTube about which sneaker shall I give away next out of the Yeezy 380 Mist and the Jordan 1 Royal Toes, and you guys chose the Royal Toes by a huge margin. So I will be announcing that giveaway further in this video. Now coming back to some sneaker unboxing. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This feels so good. I cannot express the joy I'm feeling by simply having these boxes in front of me right now. Excuse me for being a little over dramatic, but that's how much I was missing this in my life. I haven't even put them on feet so we could do this together. Okay, enough of drama. Let's just go ahead and unbox them first. So these are the Nike Dunk Lows in the Syracuse and Kentucky colorways. These were first released back in 1985 in conjunction with a bunch of US colleges, and this year, being the 35th anniversary of the Nike Dunk silhouette, they decided to give us a low top version in the same classic colors. These retailed for the usual $100 and were pretty limited. I got mine from Dubai before the lockdown with the help of a friend. Shout out to Benson if you're watching this, for about $220 each. Since then the prices on these have pretty much shot up and they are reselling for about $350 to $400 right now. Let's take a look at some details of the shoe. The upper of the shoe is entirely made of leather with the toe box and the base being in white, while parts of the upper, the swoosh and the outsole in orange blaze or blue, similar to the color blocking seen on some Jordan 1s. The quality was kind of surprising as it's really soft and doesn't feel plasticky at all. Also comes with an extra pair of white laces, which I think will look really nice as against the standard laces on both. So more colorways are expected to drop in these, like the green and yellow that we saw last week and the red and white, which I'm really looking forward to in June. Like I've said before, I find these very comfy and best for everyday wear. Whether you should buy them or not, hell yes. Honestly, I like them over Jordan 1s and they are my current most favorite silhouette. Also, if you're looking to buy some of the upcoming ones, then yes, it's a great cop for reselling as well. And if you can hold them for say about 3 to 6 months, they can give some really good returns. Now, before I give you a brief on-feet look, here is what you have to do to win a pair of Jordan 1 Royal Toes in your size. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and like this post and comment which of these dunks do you like more. I will pick a winner in the next video or maybe one after the next. And if you DM me asking when is the announcement, I will block you. I'm serious. Just stay tuned for it. Now, let's go ahead and put these on feet. So that's all from me for today, and I shall see you next week, same time, same place. Peace.